In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Asana. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to set up a new project from scratch, choose the right layout, and get your workspace ready so you can start organizing tasks efficiently. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Asana. Once the page loads, sign in using your existing account credentials or follow your organization's login method if your workspace uses a shared authentication system. After signing in, you will arrive at your main dashboard where all your workspaces, projects, and navigation tools are displayed. From here, look for the option to create a new project. This is usually accessible from the sidebar or the main workspace area. Click on it to start the project creation process. Asana will then prompt you to choose how you want to build your project. You can either start with a ready-made template or create a completely blank project. Templates are helpful when you want a structured starting point for common workflows, while a blank project gives you full flexibility to design everything yourself. Next, give your project a clear and descriptive name. This is an important step because the project name helps your team quickly understand its purpose without needing additional explanation. Choose something specific that reflects the goal or type of work the project will manage. After naming your project, you will be asked to select a layout. Asana offers different views such as List, Board, and Timeline. The List view works best for straightforward task tracking. The Board view provides a visual workflow similar to cards moving across stages, and the Timeline view helps you plan work across a schedule. Select the view that best matches how your team prefers to manage work. Once you have made your selections, confirm and create your project. Asana will generate your new workspace instantly, giving you a structured space where you can begin organizing tasks and collaborating with your team. From this point, you can start adding work items and building out your workflow in a clear and organized way. Creating a project in Asana is a simple process, but it forms the foundation for effective task management and team collaboration. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.